The dual enrollment program is just mostly lecture classes, but also on Fridays we do get to do like on-hands work with police departments and get the experience.
It really showed me like everything, like the ins and outs of how to be a police officer, what is policing about.
I decided to do this class because I was always interested in criminal justice and criminology. So I kind of also like the psychological part of it, on like how police officers sometimes deal with like mental issues.
They have actual like cops there, and you get to see like the cadet academy and like what you would go through if you go through with the program and actually want to be a cop.
I do have 2 different classes, and then on Fridays I do like the work-based learning. So Monday and Wednesday is juvenile delinquency, and there it's just like we talk about like juveniles and age matters. And then on Tuesdays and Thursdays, we have police communications and relations. So it's just like how police should be interacting with the community.
Everything was online, and it was just a lot of writing. Like they would give you scenarios, and then they would ask you to write about the scenario or describe what you would do as a cop.
On Fridays, the work-based learning is from 8 to 10. Mostly all the kids are separated, and we go to different police departments. So I go to Triton Police Department.
It would really show you how like college is way more different than high school, and it's really at your own pace and everything.
I really do like the criminal justice program, and I like really appreciate that I was like able to be in the program. You get lots of benefits out of it.